So today I'm going to make a Dash Diet smoothie, and this Dash Diet smoothie is a beetroot and pomegranate smoothie. It contains beetroot, pomegranate juice, milled flaxseed, frozen cut up bananas, a stem of celery, and one piece of stem ginger. So you can have this in the morning as your main breakfast, and you can also have it in the afternoon. But this particular smoothie is packed with flavor, it's packed with the necessary ingredients that would help you to lower your blood pressure. So let's make this smoothie. So first of all, you cut up one stalk of celery and then add that into the smoothie container. Then we'll add the frozen banana. Then add 2 or 3 pieces of beetroot. Then add a piece of stem ginger. Then add 1 tablespoon of milled flaxseed, and then add fat-free yogurt. About 3 tablespoons will be fine. Then add pomegranate juice. Then it's ready to be blended. So there you go, my beetroot and pomegranate smoothie. It's packed with potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all the things that you need to lower your blood pressure. So why not try this at home? If you have enjoyed this video, smash the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, why not subscribe so that you can also see future Dash Diet recipes that I will be posting to this channel. So see you next time. Take care. Bye.